Want to turn simple words into stunning images like this? Today I will show you how to use ChatGPT's image generator and give you quick pro tips to get the best results. Don't miss any step, every second counts if you want to master this tool. Stay with me till the end, and if you are new here, make sure subscribe to iTeepk for more smart tips like this. To use it, open up any browser and just go to chatgpt.com and sign in with your account. You could also download a desktop app on your computer. Now, this is the most normal functionality we have seen, that is generating an image. Just type phrase create an image of with a subject a cat with hat. It could also edit your current images all within the ChatGPT 4. So I am uploading the horse sketch image to a ChatGPT and want this image converted to real life production theater. ChatGPT will ask some question and I will answer that yes, I want that horse to remain main subject on the stage. Here, again, ChatGPT asking the question, I want it like a classical theater. Let's paste this question. After getting complete information, ChatGPT has now edited, updated, and generated a perfect image for me. Now let's create an image of encyclopedia page for a cat with a hat. Let's send this to ChatGPT and ChatGPT has generated a perfect image for me, but I'm not able to understand what this language is. Let's ask ChatGPT to change it to English language. We could always keep discussing and updating our queries to ChatGPT, and you can see I got the perfect results. You could also do like this, just upload any your image and ask ChatGPT to generate a meme with the face of provided image and questions being something that makes fun, deciding between multiple hard choices. Let's send this to ChatGPT and it's generating an image perfectly for us with a meme style. ChatGPT isn't only about creating images, it's also about editing and updating current images. For example, you can see I am generating another image of cat's encyclopedia and then I want to generate one more image with a prompt that extends this to double page A3 with a lot of details in various sections. According to the prompt, now double page converted to more images with more sections and details. Remember that if you find any mistakes or you need to do any correction, you could just go ahead, type your another query to ChatGPT and ask it to correct that. Now beyond that, ChatGPT provides more capabilities for images. So here I want to turn my this image into a Ghibli style image. You see the perfect results. ChatGPT has converted my image to trending Ghibli style. Now I want to do with another image of my friend and ChatGPT has given me two responses because ChatGPT need my feedback on this. So let's see which is the most clear one and related to the current image. I will prefer the second response because this image is showing more clearly like the image I provided to ChatGPT. Now let's get more further and give it an image of NASA to ChatGPT and ask it to turn it to inspirational poster. And here are the perfect Studio Ghibli style results with an image and customized text on it. Now I want to show you another example that really shows the potential of this tool and I want to generate an image in the style of old Apple aids for a generative AI learning community. Name AI Advantage Community. Let's send this and see the results of generating this image. Perfect. ChatGPT has generated a perfect ad image for my ad company. Again, I want to mention here that you could keep talking to ChatGPT and could keep making your results more better. And here you can see ChatGPT has generated a perfect action figure image according to my given prompt. This image contains the YouTube icon, the CPU, the servers, and the ITPK written at the top. Now, if you want to use ChatGPT-4's image generation features for free with just a bit of smart work, go and check out my this video where I show you exactly how to do it. And if you would rather unlock it instantly at a cheaper price, just click the link in the description and use my special coupon code to get discount on ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT 4. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, ITPK. and drop a comment if you have any questions. I will see you in the next one.